The common problem faced by students today while choosing their career path. So they are totally clueless, confused, no clarity, inability to make the decision. All this comes together at a time, and now so they get a lot of opinion from lot of people around, like parents, relatives, everybody saying them, so do doctor, engineer, singer, dancer, artist, sports person, lot of things. And when it is completely bombarded, so they will not be knowing what needs to be doing. So if you are a student, I hope you can actually relate to this video in a really better manner. So hi, this is Kirtan. I am the author of the 2 best-selling books, so Why Being Independent is Awesome and X Money Secrets. So in this video, let's talk about, so how do you solve this particular problem? So how do you actually choose a career path that is going to really stick with you for your life? So this is very, very important, because if you do not find passion in what you do, after some times you feel miserable, right? So you need to find that passion, you need to have this energy, and you need to take things forward. So because right now you might be watching this particular video with a situation completely like a dark situation in your life, so you may not be having, so what is your next step? So no future is visible to you. But think about this. So take your hands like this, take your hands like this, and so bring it forward in front of your eyes. So what do you see? What you see is nothing, right? So everything looks stopped. So same thing, when you bring your life challenges and problems closer to you, you cannot see the real life. So same thing with your career also. So you have to be in an open mind space and say, I am going to do this. And these are the 4 important questions that you need to ask before choosing a career path. And you have to ask this question in the right order. And the first question is, so me doing this particular career, will it help me to grow individually? So will it give the individual growth? So that is a very important question that you have to ask. Even after choosing a particular branch or particular specialities, so whatever it is, so you have to ask this question, will it give me that individual growth, individual satisfaction, individual energy, whatever it is required? Because ultimately you are the one person who has to enjoy what you are doing, because this is very important. The day when you actually start enjoying what you do, you don't need to work a single day after that. I repeat it again. So the day when you start enjoying what you do, you don't need to work a single day after that. So everything, whatever you are going to do is going to be really, really awesome from there onwards, right? So the first question, as I have told you, ask yourself, will it give me an individual growth? Will I grow doing this? And the second important question is that, will there be an improvement in what I do? Can I keep on improving this? Can I take things to the next level? Can I improve it in actually helping more people with what I do? So improvement. So is there a possibility of scaling here? So growing here? So that is the very important second question. So can I improve certain skills here? Because there are certain things that, for example, let's consider you took a career of data entry. So individual growth, maybe yes, but when it comes to improvement, you cannot do much of an improvement there, right? So the growth gets stuck there. So you have to ask this second question, can I improve here, right? And the third important question that you have to ask is, can I make an impact with this career? Can I make an impact on the society? Can I make a great impact on the people? Because when it comes to impact, you can have a positive or negative impact. Ask yourself, can I have a positive impact doing this particular career, right? And the last question that you have to ask is about, will I make money doing what I love doing, right? So all this factor has to be linked. But one thing I want you to tell you here is this: many of your time, so people go for the career which gives them instant or immediate money, but it will not last for a longer time. But you have to build a career in such a way that the first 3 things are really greatly aligned, which is individual growth, improvement, and the impact. If you can do this in a right way, income will follow you like crazy, right? So find a career which can do all these 4 things, and you will enjoy your life like crazy. So I hope that you got this particular perspective about how do you choose your career as a student. So I will give you certain more examples so that you will understand it in a better way. There are certain career, something like you actually opening your own bar, right? So alcohol, liquor shop. So will it give an individual growth? No. Will it be improved? Like, can you expand multiple stores? Yes, possible, right? Will it make a positive impact on the society? No, right? And will it make you make income? Yes, right? So there are certain things which are yes, and there are certain questions which are no, which means, so individually if you ask this question to yourself, will it be good for you? So that is something that you have to answer and take your career journey forward from there. So but there are certain careers that which you can take, like you becoming an innovator. So will you have an individual growth there? Of course yes, because you got to build lot of skills to become an innovator or to become a system builder, right? So the second question that you have to ask yourself is, will I improve? Will I have the possibility of impacting more people? Yes, improvement is also there and impact is also there, right? Impact is going to be there for the society as well, right? Can you, so for example, you have individually grown with your skills and profile, but improvement is all about the kind of outputs that you get. So if you have done one project, can you do 2 projects, 3 projects, 2 products, 3 products? Of course yes, right? It's possible. So that's exactly how you have to think. And the projects and products that what you have done, so will it impact the society in a positive way? Yes. Then once these 3 things are aligned, the income will follow you like crazy, right? So it's very, very important that you have to get it right, and once that is right, things will start happening for you. I wish you all the best for your career path, whatever you want to choose, and put here in the comments below what is that career path that you have taken, and if you are finding any challenges in figuring out what is that particular path, put your questions down here. So I would like to answer those questions in the upcoming videos.